I think it's only getting better. Siyempre, familiarity kasi. So, mas tumatagal, mas naging close, mas naging familiar din sa work style ni Barbie. So, yeah.
I think ngayon, nag-level up na kami sa Aso Pusa. Medyo Leon na Tigre na kami. Papunta na kami doon. We're getting physical, you know, action. Oh, I love it! In terms of chemistry, ever since lagi ko naman pong sinasabi na kahit naman po sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, hindi namin tinrabaho yung chemistry. Parang, thankfully, fortunately, it naturally came out from the both of us. So, dito sa Maging Sino Ka Man, it's more of like helping each other improve in terms of characterization, and siguro yung maiba talaga yung tingin sa amin, total transition of the characters from our previous project. Pero yung chemistry kasi, I feel like nagtatranscend lang on screen kung papaano talaga yung comfortability namin working together. Feeling ko yun lang din talaga yun. So,
Hindi naman mas challenging this time kasi yun nga, before spontaneous yung nangyari, unexpected. Tapos ngayon medyo may konting, expectations na mga tao. Wala naman.
Expectations, hindi naman po siguro mawawala yan. So, I think we just take it as a good challenge para ma-meet yung expectations nila. And siguro mas challenging din kasi sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, hindi kami masyadong walang masyadong close contact kasi nga 'di ba lumang panahon. Ngayon nakita niyo naman talagang nose to nose na kami, ganun ang level. So medyo mas physical na yung pagiging close namin. So I think even the romance mas may intensify, mas makukwento namin ang maayos yung storya namin. And also, hindi lang naman ito tungkol sa amin ni David. Kita nyo naman, powerhouse cast talaga, best of the best. So, this show has so much to offer and napakalalim ng storya. Para sa akin, isa yon sa parang iniba ng teleserye version dun sa original film version. Talagang nilaliman namin, nilagyan namin ng layers, nilagyan namin ng character backgrounds, lahat, para mas lumalim, para mas kapitan ng audience. So, I'm very excited for everyone to see it.